So when I first heard about this method, I didn't believe it at all, but when I tried it, it actually works. So all you have to do is come over to this website, promote your videos, and you will be able to earn hundreds and thousands of dollars, all while staying at the comfort of your home. Hi guys, get comfortable in your chairs, because this time I'll show you my secret way to generate $32 every single minute without any investment whatsoever. Now what's awesome about this method is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment, skill or experience, and you can even start making money right now, right after you've done watching this video. And guys, this method is an evergreen method, so it is guaranteed to work through all the upcoming years. And it is very simple. All you have to do is simply make sure to watch this whole video so you won't miss out on any important information. And now guys, I'm going to jump into the first step, but only after I've asked you guys to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more ways to monetize your time online. So without any further ado guys, let's just get on with the video by jumping into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're going to be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
So in step number 1, what I want you guys to do is come over to Sprizzy.com. Now Sprizzy.com is an amazing website that almost all the big YouTubers use. Now what this website basically does is that it promotes your video to the right audience. Now as you can see over here, this platform is very simple and easy to use, and they will put your video in front of the right audience to ensure that your video is seen. And you will get big results even with the smallest budget, which to me that sounds very awesome. And I'm going to show you how this website basically works, so please make sure to watch this entire video and do not skip any steps, because this video is an important video to ensure that you grow your channel and monetize your videos. So if we scroll down a little bit, we'll see that this video has an amazing amount of reviews. So it almost has 5-star rating with over 600 reviews. And as we can see, all these big companies are registered with it, such as Honda, the Church of Scientology, and Discover Institute, and many more. So we can see that this website is very legit and it works 100%. So if we scroll down a little, we'll see that this website is telling us how it works. So basically all you have to do is provide the keywords that describe your video, as well as the names of the YouTube channel whose subscribers you'd like to target. So what that basically means is that you have to provide the main word that describes your video. So if it's about tech, so make sure your keywords are related to technology. If it's about entertainment or TV shows or anything like that, make sure your keywords are related to those particular niches. And also you will have to provide the YouTube channels of your competitors which you are targeting, so that you can target their audience as well, which will help you grow a lot faster. Number 2, we get their attention. So through YouTube ads, they promote your video on YouTube to users searching for your keywords and to fans of similar channels. So as you can see over here on this image, the person is watching this video over here, and over here this video is promoted by Sprizzy, as you can see with the ad button over here at the bottom. So this is how our video will basically look like. Once Sprizzy is promoting our video will be here on the recommendation section. When a person is watching that, the video might catch their eye and they might click on it, which will help us to gain traction a lot faster, which I think is very awesome. And if we scroll down a little bit more, we will get to the important section about getting viewers, subscribers, and real engagement. The viewers targeted in the promotion will naturally find your video interesting and can like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. So if you've done all the things that this website has told you up to this point, you will get more views, you will get more subscribers, and you will have much more traction and real engagement. So whenever someone is watching a video related to your niche, Sprizzy will promote your video and you will get more traction. And if we scroll down a little bit more, we will see who's working with Sprizzy as of right now. So we can see all these big channels are working with Sprizzy as of right now, and as you can see, all these videos have thousands of views, and this video in particular has more than 2 million views and more than 74,000 likes and over 40,000 plus subscribers. So which I think is very awesome. Our video and our channel can also be one of these channels right here. So don't worry guys, all you have to do is follow this video and your video or channel will also be part of this crew right here. And you might have noticed one thing, that all these channels aren't related to a single niche. They are related to different topics. So there are songs, there are about cars, there are about gaming and other commentary as well, and related to other niches as well. So that means Sprizzy is for all the channels. You don't have to limit yourself to either one niche or one category. Your channel can be about anything that you want. It can be about musicians or bands, gamers, vloggers, or health and beauty, about technology, or books and authors. It can be about anything. And Sprizzy will make sure to promote your videos nonetheless, no matter which category your video or your channel falls into. So rest assured, Sprizzy will promote your videos. And if we scroll down a little bit more, we will see that over 10,000 plus YouTube creators love their benefits. So these are some of the benefits that Sprizzy provides. I will read out a few of them for you that I think the ones are more interesting. You can feel free to come over to this website and read for yourselves. So let's just check out a few of their benefits. So they have find your ideal audience. With connection to YouTube's ad platform and website, they can reach up to the 90% of the internet. No audience is too difficult to find. So what they're basically saying is that they have connections to YouTube ads. So as it already sounds, I don't need to explain everything to you guys. You're pretty smart yourselves. You will be able to attract 90% of the internet to your videos, which I think is very, very awesome. But even if you don't believe that numbers, let's just say even half of that number, or even at least 20% of the internet. So let's just say that 90% is a very, very big number, and not the entire 90% of the internet will watch your videos. Let's just hypothetically say that only 20% of the internet watches your video. Even still, that 20% is a big, big number, which I think is very, very awesome. So you don't have to worry about getting any tractions, because Sprizzy will make sure that you will have hundreds and thousands of views. And over here, this benefit I think is one of the most interesting and one of their best benefits that they provide, which is filter low engaging viewers. So what that basically means is that when promoting your video, they will automatically filter out low engagement viewers such as kids or parents' devices to maximize your budget. Because guys, what that basically means is that if you have inconsistent viewers that watch your video once and then don't watch it again, that will affect your engagement. So they will filter out those type of viewers so that you can maximize your engagement ship. Because guys, kids are very hard to attract. So unless you're making videos that are for kids, you will have no issue with low engagements because Sprizzy will filter them out. And another great benefit that I think that Sprizzy provides is their smart targeting algorithm. So you might have heard the algorithm on YouTube where if you watch a certain type of video, other videos that are similar to that video will be recommended to you. Well, Sprizzy's algorithm works just like that, but in a different way. So basically, they combine the machine learning and continuous A/B testing to find your most relevant audience. Age, genders, locations, interests, placements, all are tested and will have no effect on your videos. So what that basically means is that Sprizzy's algorithm will promote their videos just like the YouTube algorithm does, but in a better and more effective way so that you can receive the maximum amount of viewership possible. And finally, I saved the best for last, real engagement for real viewers. So they promise to never use bots, click farms, or pay people to watch your videos. All growth is real with no risk to your channel. So other websites that try to be like Sprizzy, what they basically use are bots or click farms to get attraction to people, and people might think that their videos are really interesting and that their channels are growing, but in reality they're not. They're just bots or click farms or paid people to watch your videos so that you can receive a little bit of attraction and that you can receive a little bit of happiness in your heart. But that's not the case. It's all fake. It's all a facade. They're all scammers, guys. I've told you many times before, there are a lot of scammers on the internet, and if you give them the opportunity, they will steal everything that you have. So unlike all those scammer websites, Sprizzy won't use bots or click farms or pay people to watch your videos. So you can rest assured that all growth that you receive from Sprizzy, it will be 100% genuine. And if we scroll a little bit down more, we will see some customer reviews and what they basically say. So these are some of the YouTubers that have used Sprizzy. So we have the musician named Ndub Music. We have the book reviewer or book writer whose name is The Book Break, and we have a vlogger named Liline Gabrielle, and all these people say they like Sprizzy and that it actually works and that it has helped them out tremendously. So if we come over to Sprizzy and sign up, our video and our channel will also be featured in alongside all these great channels. Our channel and our video will be featured alongside all these great channels, and if you want to watch one of these videos, all you have to do is click on them, then they will take you to their video as well. So there is another extra bonus right there if you guys were thinking about it. And if we scroll down a little bit more, we will arrive at their FAQ section, which is short for frequently asked questions. And over here, as you can see, a lot of people have been asking a lot of different questions, such as what is Sprizzy, how does the promotion work, where will my video be promoted? So let's just check this question out because I think that is very interesting. So basically your video will be promoted in 3 different ways. So your video will be promoted as an advertisement directly on YouTube and will be promoted in 3 different ways. So the first way, as a recommended video alongside similar videos also known as discovery ads, as talked about in earlier part of this video. Number 2, as a commercial before similar videos also known as in-stream ads. So what that basically means is that your channel or video will be promoted through as a small commercial. So if anyone is playing a video, your video will play before it as an ad, so that way you will receive a little bit of money from YouTube as well, and another person will be interested in your video as well. And number 3, as a featured search result also known as YouTube search ads. When a YouTube user performs a search of one of your keywords, your video will be displayed at the top. So as I mentioned before in this video guys, you have to make sure you put in the correct keywords that are related to your videos, because that will allow Sprizzy to optimize the search result and promote your video much better. So if we scroll down, this is how it basically will look like. So this is the recommended video. So if a person is watching a video of a certain niche, your video will come up like this as an ad over here. It will be directly promoted and will be at the top of the recommendation. And if we look down below, this is how the commercial ad will look like. So whenever someone is playing a video, your video will be played before it as an ad, as we can see in this image over here. And finally, YouTube search ads. So anyone who is searching for a video, if they search that keyword, your video will be at the top right here, as we can see in this image over here. So this person has searched for yoga videos and this video has been promoted at the top right here. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any other video that we post on this channel. We make a lot of videos on how you can earn money, so it would be a shame if you missed out on a video how you can make a profitable income online. So make sure to turn on your notification guys, and having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, goodbye.